Okay, this is a video on the little mini excavator, the QH12 AGT industrial Briggs & Stratton motor. Hydraulics are super nice. They're quick, smooth, brand new, 2023. If you want a nice little mini winnie excavator, this is probably the one. I'll start it up here in just a second and show you how it goes, but all the controls are nice and easy. Has a little thumb on it so you can grab stuff. Here's the 23 verification right there, on and off right there. Let's get up in here. Comes with a little toolkit. All right, so let's see, put the gas up a little bit. You probably won't be able to hear me much when I turn it on, but I'll move it around and then you can start bidding. Here we go. Best I can do for right now.